अकेले ही चलना पड़ता है मंजिल सपनों की राहों पर, यूं ही नहीं मिल जाती मंजिल चौराहों पर। गुड इवनिंग एवरीवन, माय नेम इज यज्ञ। टुडे आई विल स्पीक अबाउट वैल्यू। So many people do not have value of anything. Like there was a not too much adult boy or a father. Once there was a village and a boy who was not much adult. He used to play a lot. He used to spend his father money a lot. He did not study. He did not do any work. One day his father realized that he has to do something so that his son could do some work and can earn money. He called his son and asked him that you have to go out of the home and you will not enter the home until you earn some money. Then the child started crying and went to his mother. His mother asked what happened. He told every story, every point. Then his mother gave him 10 rupees and said, in evening you go out of home and have one round of whole village, come in home and give that money to your father. The same thing he done. Then his father say him, throw this money in the well. He threw. Then father realized that he hasn't earned this money. His mother has given this money to him. Then he sent his mother to his granny house. Then his sister come from his in-laws. Then the same thing happened next day. The same thing the father asked to her boy. The boy again started crying and his sister asked what happened. The boy said everything and the sister gave him 10 rupees. Then he do same thing. He go out of the home in evening and have round of village and give that money to his father. Then his father said that throw this money in the well. Then he again throw that money in the well. So his father again realized that he hasn't earned this money. His sister has given that. Then next day no one was at home. His mother was in granny house and his sister was in in-laws house. Then the same thing happened. He cried a lot. Then he think nothing will happen by crying. He will have to do something to earn money. He went to bus stand and start the work of coolie. He did the job of coolie and earned 5 rupees. After getting money, his whole body was so tired. He was breaking a lot. Then as he reached the home, his father asked, now you have just earned 5 rupees. What happened? Where is more 5 rupees? Then he said that I have earned these but. Then his father said, okay, no worry, throw this money in the well. Then he said in loud, I have earned this money by breaking my whole body and you are saying throw this money in well? I will not throw this money at all. Then his father said that yes, today you have earned this money and both next day you didn't earn money because your mother and sister gave that money to you. So from that story we got to know that if we get everything on platter, so we doesn't do value of it. Even it is time, mother, father, parents, money, anything, whatever it is. We doesn't do value of it until we don't know something about it. So we should do value of something because the thing which have with us, the God has things for this. Thank you.